What's poppin', everybody? It's your way back here, teacher Lucas. Hope you're doing fine today. And before I start, I just want to remind you to follow me in all my social media, especially on Instagram, because I teach English there every day. So stay tuned. New phrasal verbs, new vocabularies every day, alright? If you watched my previous video, I taught you how to make comparison using more and than. And today, I want to teach you how to use comparison with one-syllable adjectives only. So for example, I have here the adjective tall. To make a comparison with one-syllable adjective only, I just add er and after than. So for example, tall. Tall becomes taller. Taller. Taller than. For example, see these two brothers here. Jeff is taller than Tim. They are both tall, but they are not the same height. So one is taller than the other, okay? I have here the adjective long. The Volga River is longer than the Danube. I'm comparing one river to the other, and I know that one river is longer than the other river. I take the adjective long, add er, and add than. So longer than. I have the adjective small, small. I add er, smaller, and than. So it's smaller than. For example, San Diego is a much smaller city than Los Angeles. So I'm comparing San Diego to Los Angeles. And I know that San Diego is a much smaller city than Los Angeles. So the structure is basically like that. We have the adjective plus er plus than. As always, we also have some exceptions. In this case, we have two exceptions. We have adjectives that is only one syllable, but they are CVC. I already taught you how to use CVC in one of my previous videos as well. I'll leave the link here in the description below. Make sure to watch it because it's very good for you. CVC is pretty much consonant, vowel, consonant. So, for example, the adjective hot. Hot is one syllable only. And it's CVC. Hot. H consonant, O vowel, T consonant. In this case, I double the last letter. So T. Hot becomes hot, double T plus ER. Hotter. Alright? So hotter. Every time I have a CVC adjective, I double the last letter and add er and add than. So hotter than. Hot becomes hotter than. The other exception I have is adjectives that are only one syllable, but they end in Y. So every time I have an adjective that ends in Y, I exclude the Y and I add I-er. So for example, the adjective dry. Dry becomes drier. Drier. I exclude the Y and add IER. And now guys, just stay tuned for some advertisements and I'll be right back.
Cambly.
Os tutores do Cambly estão disponíveis 24 horas por dia.
Através do computador ou do aplicativo de celular também.
Experimente.
Actually, we should practice it using daily specific activities. Grammar and exercises are not the focus of our course. Our focus should be directed to what I call training process. We are gonna practice it. But don't worry about it, we have it all prepared for you here in video classes.
Esta é Maria. Ela adora estudar inglês, mas não tem muitas oportunidades para usá-lo. Com o iTalk, Peter e Maria podem ter aulas particulares online para se tornarem fluentes em um idioma estrangeiro. Você também pode começar a aprender um idioma no iTalk hoje mesmo. Com o iTalk, você tem um professor particular para qualquer idioma e pode conversar de verdade com um nativo do idioma desejado. Todos os dias, milhares de pessoas se conectam com professores internacionais através do iTalk. Encontre hoje mesmo um professor e adquira fluência num idioma estrangeiro.
So guys, that was it. Hope you guys understand everything that I spoke here. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to leave in the comments down below. If you have any suggestions as well, please leave it down, because that helps me a lot to know what you want to know, what you want to learn, and to make you become a better English speaker. Alright, if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are still not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe it. Hit the bell to receive notification on your cell phone every time I post a new video. Follow me on Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, here in the YouTube. And thanks for watching this video. See ya later. Peace out.